In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication on Discord. If you've been using an authenticator app for extra security but need to turn it off, for example, you're switching phones, reorganizing your security setup, or troubleshooting login issues, I'll walk you through the process clearly and safely. Keep in mind that two-factor authentication adds a strong layer of protection to your account, so only disable it if you understand the risks and have a plan for keeping your account secure. First, open Discord on your desktop or mobile device and make sure you're signed in. Look to the bottom left corner of the app window. You'll see the small gear icon next to your username and avatar. Click that gear icon to open your user settings. This is where all of your account and security controls live, so it's the right place to make changes like this. Inside user settings, you'll land on the My Account section. If you don't see it right away, select My Account from the left sidebar. In this area, scroll to the security section where your two-factor settings appear. Here, you'll find the option labeled Remove Authenticator App. This specifically targets the Authenticator app method of 2FA. So you're not hunting around for the wrong setting. Go ahead and select Remove Authenticator App. When you click that, Discord will prompt you to confirm the change. This is intentional, so you don't turn off an important security feature by mistake. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to verify your choice. Simply complete the confirmation to proceed. Once you've confirmed, the Authenticator app method of two-factor authentication is disabled for your account. That's all there is to it. After this, logging in will no longer require a code from your Authenticator app. Remember though, removing 2FA lowers your account's protection. If you're disabling it temporarily, consider re-enabling it once you're done with whatever change you needed to make. Store your backup codes in a secure place and use a strong, unique password to help keep your account safe. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you're in the My Account section within User Settings and that you selected Remove Authenticator App specifically. And if you run into any issues confirming the removal, make sure you're signed in and following the prompts carefully. You've successfully learned how to disable two-factor authentication on Discord quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.